Alright, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no, sa mga kababayan natin, and this is Chart Quick Session, no. This is simultaneous sa ating PSEi Recap Weekly, no, update. So, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, and bukod sa PSEi Recap Weekly, makakakuha kayo ng Chart Quick Session, no. We'll be reviewing yung mga most requested stocks by Instagram or YouTube. And then I'm gonna put yung may opinion, no? Or probably you could see it as second set of eyes. No, the trading is a very lonely game, no? There are very low chances na yung family members mo would be able to understand you. Much more yung mga katrabaho mo, no? So, if you're really starting and you wanna check out and see kung ano yung iniisip ng mga traders, probably this is the best venue, no? Para i-request mo yung mga stocks mo, no? And before we start, we have a quick word from our sponsor, no? Good welcome to those who are generous and lend freely, who conduct their affairs with justice. Psalm chapter 112, verse 5, no? Very refreshing, no? The word generous, no? And lend freely, no? Mapapansin mo kung sino man yung laging handang tumulong, hindi siya halos kinakapos, no? I mean, hindi siya masyadong papansin mo na puput in a financial strain, no? Unlike kung you have seen yung mga tao na hindi mo mahulugan ng 5 piso, no? Or talagang, ano sila? I mean, sabihin na natin, very selfish sila and self-centered. Sila pa yung napuput, no? Sa financial strain, no? Probably, magkakaroon ng sakit or magkakaroon ng mga panibagong gastusin, no? Ang sinasabi lang dito is there is a good, no? There's something good na that's going to happen, and it's clearly written in the Bible, and you just hope, no? And see the results, no? For yourselves, no? Even me, ganito yung kinakapitan ko. I was able to probably ride the financial strain during the time of my life. Looking back, eto na lang yung iniisip ko na talagang nakapag-sustain sa akin. It was God na talagang tumutulong sa akin, no? And we're caught in this trap, no? Currently sa society natin, puro me. Alright? What's in it for me? Puro ganun yung mga attitude. Again, hindi lang naman tutungkol sa pera. It could be probably a simple tap on the shoulders or probably a hug for your wife, no? Alright? Words of encouragement for those people na yun na naman ang kailangan, no? Hindi naman sila financially in difficult situation, but yung simpleng ano lang, conversation, no? Words of encouragement, or this could probably yung mga services mo naman, no? And don't underestimate yung time mo, no? It's very valuable, no? Again and again, I'm going to tell you, read the Bible, no? Punong-puno yan ng mga aral and lessons natin sa buhay na we should really strive to understand, no? And before we start, we have yung PSEi recap rules, no? Take responsibility of your trades. Alright? Ikaw yung pipindot ng mouse, ikaw yung bibili, ikaw yung magsisell. So, lahat ng kasalanan, all the blame should fall upon you. And if ever you have gain, no? Lahat din naman ng kasalanan na ba't ka nag-gain is, it's all up to you, no? And protect your capital. Simple. If you've stayed long enough in the game, you're going to see yung high and lows of the market. You will be able to trade yung mga sideways ranges. And currently, if you're managing your losses, no, at this point in time sa PSEi recap, you have a very good chance, no, na to succeed in trading. Alright, ilan ba yung nag-i-start after a year or 2 years still alive in the market and kicking, no? Ang daming newbies ang nag-i-start but eventually quit, no? Because they have not protect their capital, no? Simple, if you're losing, you're gonna lose interest, and if you're losing interest, you're really not going to succeed, no? Sa trading, no? You have to keep your losses low and ride out the highs and lows, no? And finally, mag-sink in sa yung mga rules, and you have to probably fine-tune yung sarili mong custom fit strategy, no? And number 3, keep in mind that trading is all about probabilities, no? No 100% setup sa market. You don't put all in sa market because the market will probably bite you in one way or another, no? Again, this is PSEi recap rules. You might want to copy, no? Stop the video, copy. You might want to take yung handwritten form, no? Kasi mas madali mong matandaan once you're writing something, no? Instead of memorizing or probably listening, no? Alright, handwritten it, no? Yung recap rules. Again, we're going to start. Ito yung Tags Harbor, no? Isa sa mga bugbog sarado. But last Friday, it was able to reverse, no? And again, at current 2.53, we still have yung 3 pesos, no? We're really aiming for 3. Meron pa itong ibubuga. Again, ito yung reversal, no? Candle na nakita natin. But mapapansin mo naman, medyo binitawan. And then once na yung mga retail was already frustrated, sabay pasok naman ng mga pros, no? Again, this is a simple 9.05% gain for Tags. At currently 2.53, we could probably still hit easily yung 2.8 and again 3. Again, I do not recommend this sa mga newbies because Tags is a very volatile stock, no? You're very good if you're going to catch yung uptrend kasi napakagaan yan. And probably if you are on sa kabilang side naman, sa loser side, you probably have already cut loss, no? And that's my take, again, for Tags. Let's now move on to BPI, no? One of those reversal then, no? Again, this is an index name. It hit 4.88% last Friday, but we currently do not see yung volume, no? But good thing is etong position na to signifies yung support, no, dito sa area na to. So again, meron pa tayong pwedeng ma-capture dito but napakaliit na lang, no. And again, BPI, once na yung index umakyat, definitely isa to sa mga maapektuhan and makakapag-gain ng positive effect, no, sa PSEi, no. Currently at 83.9, it's still a buy, no. Meron pa ring still upside, at least minimal, no. And we could probably break this level and we could hit around, no, below 100 dito sa area na to for our take profit zone. Again, BPI, meron pa, no, but very tight yung risk reward mo rito, no. And mapapansin mo, all of our analysis are very quick. This is price action driven, no, and we also incorporating yung candles, no, and yung volume, no. Alright, we're going to check yung CPG, no? I'm not going to lie to you, but I really do not think anything na positive dito sa CPG, no? Medyo malayo, it's really on a hesitation mode, no? Probably, I'd be more than interested if once it hits yung 0.48, no? Itong area na to, once it has been broken, I'd likely consider this and put it on my radar, no? Century Properties Group. Again, I'm not going to urge you to buy or sell this. Wala talaga akong makita, no? It's on hesitation, no? You might want to move to another stock na mas maganda at playable, no? And SSI Group, same thing as CPG. It's currently on a hesitation mode. Again, I'd be more than willing to buy if it breaks yung 2.4, but now I would not touch this, no? And again, this would be also interesting if it hits yung 1.8, no? But if it's consolidating and it's hesitating, leave it, no? Leave it, guys. Huwag niyong pakialaman yung SSI, no? And again, it's pretty much clear na yung 1.8 is yung bottom, no? Doon lang ako magiging interesado. Currently at 1.8 or 2.4, no? Doon lang sa mga levels na yon. And Security Bank, no? The good thing with Security Bank is hindi pa siya nagkakaroon ng volatility, no? It's currently down by 0.29%. And next week, it represents a good risk-reward ratio, no? Pagdating sa Security Bank. Kasi we've already seen yung BPI, BDO and MBT na tumaas, but Security Bank is still hesitating, no? But once the PSEi turn green, there's no mistake about it, Security Bank would be one of the beneficiary, no? At current 1.68, 50, it's still a good buy, no? And probably we could take yung profit zone natin at 190. And let's try to see if may ibubuga pa tong security bank, no? You could probably wait, no, for another confirmation candle before you're entering, no? But if you have pretty much have an in-depth, no, reading sa security bank, 1.6850 is a good ideal to buy, no? And again, Asia Best Group, no, ABG, one of the portfolio killers, no? Again, sumama to sa ating momentum, but sa nga nakita natin na disclosures, I've already said it, it's a sell on news, guys, no? Hopefully, yung nandito sa area na to, you were able to sell, no, at this area, kasi yun yung nakita natin. And if you have not been following the news, it was already disclosed na yung Okada, no, yung Tiger Resorts is purchasing yung ano nito. But yung pagka-purchase niya, it's not 40 pesos, but it's 3 pesos, no? Walang pumipigil sa kanila na yung current price na 29 is bentahan ka ng bentahan. So kaya ngayon there's a very fearful sentiment sa market, no? I would probably touch this, no? If it's by Monday, it hits yung 20 with a 100 million turnover again, no? Doon lang ako magiging interesado if it hits yung 20 with very low turnover. I would probably not touch this, no? And probably yung setup na yon is one day reversal, no? Again, Asia Best Group, one of the leaders for the last 2 weeks, but it is currently on a fearful sentiment, no? Again, newbies, stay away from this kind of trades because your portfolio will be diminishing very fast, no? Kung ganito yung lagi mong mga tinitake na trades. Again, that's our take for AVG. And let's now proceed sa Metropolitan Bank, no? MBT. Last 2 months ago, strike zone was 68.50, but yung support did not hold, no? Pinabayaan, and currently, once na nag-hit yung sentiment reversal last Friday, isa sa mga beneficiary is yung Metrobank, no? 68, it's still a good buy. We could probably take profit at around 74, 75. It's still very ideal, no, for it to take. And once we have yung follow through by Monday or Tuesday, definitely wala nang tanong-tanong, Metrobank will probably surge higher, no? And hopefully yung mga funds mo were not trapped, no? So you can transition dito sa mga index names na very ideal yung mga setup na yon, no? Again, Metrobank is in a strike zone, 68 pesos, and there's still an upside, no? Bagamat tumaas na siya ng 6.5%, there's still an upside, no, for MBT, no? 2 months ago, yung strike zone was around 68, no? And binili yan. Mapapansin mo yung volume, ang taas dito. And again, hindi natin nakita dito. But let's try to see and check, wait, no, kung ano yung magiging mangyayari sa PSEi. And isa sa mga portfolio killers, once again, is yung Ital Pinas, no? This is a doji. Guys, do not be fooled. This looks like a trap, no? And if you haven't cut losses, please do so, no? Medyo delikado talaga to. It could still go down and retest yung long time support niya na around, what's this, 5.10 pesos. And really, medyo awkward talaga tong doji na to. I do not see it reversing. Guys, please take precaution. IDC, yung mga ganitong stocks together with AVG is a portfolio killers. And I'm not going to lie to you, yan yung nakikita ako. And again, you might dislike, but guys, I have to tell you, honestly, kung ano yung nakikita ko, and I don't wanna give you false hopes, no, pagdating sa mga stock positions nyo. And again, if you're on a losing end, you might want to realize na ito yung mga stocks na dapat na iniwasan mo, or probably this is a lesson learned. And charge it to experience, guys. Ganun talaga. That's how the market works. That's how trading works, no? You will lose, but you must learn, no? Again, that's my take for IDC. And again, guys, maraming salamat, no? So, very versed yung charts natin. Very simple analysis lang, price action driven, and I hope you're getting something, no? Trading is a very lonely game, and I do realize that, no? So, I am here. I am not your mentor, but probably your ally, no? To become profitable. And guys, if you have any chart request, please do so comment, no? Comment dyan sa YouTube channel. And probably next week, I'm going to include it in a next chart quick sessions, no? Again, if you haven't subscribed, there's also another concurrent video, no? Yung PSEi recap, no? September 24 is already out. You might want to check that also, no? Again, this is PSEi recap. Again, kababayan, maraming salamat sa panonood. And thank you very much, no? Until next week. All right, guys. Let's try to see and check, no, if we'll be able to sustain, no, yung upswing ng market towards 7.8, 7.9 level, no. Really do hoping, no. And again, maraming salamat.